Hi everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. I'm Jess, and today we're going to do a quick review of the 7500 BTU Fold and Go butane camp stove from Camplux. They did send this to us at no charge in order to try out, and we have a discount code and an affiliate link in the description for you to use in order to buy one. Thank you for shopping through our links. It does support the channel. We appreciate it. So let's get into it. It comes in this cute little bag. And I like that because it's going to keep it kind of in good condition on the outside as it rattles around in our bins in the back of the truck. You'll see why it's called the Fold and Go, because it's got a pretty compact footprint and then it folds open. So you can see the control dial there, and then it's got this little locking button that actually opens the stove. And then you simply spin this piece to get the burner out. And then we move the legs out like so. This is die-cast aluminum legs, and we have a brass burner here, so very heavy-duty, high-quality materials, and it fits any standard butane canister, so we're going to pop that in here. One thing to note, this is more of a magnetic connection, so most butane stoves have kind of the locking lever that really does that connection for you, so you just got to make sure it seats in there all the way around, otherwise you won't have fuel and it won't ignite. So if we push that down, excuse the dirt bike, all we have to do is use that dial on the side to ignite. It's got a standard Piezo camp stove lighter, and you can hear it turning and burning. So this is a 10.2 inch base, or like burner, which is huge. I was actually I was concerned that my pots wouldn't fit on it because I'm used to a much smaller camp stove, but our teapot fits fine. I use this little fire maple frying pan a lot. That fits really well. And then I also use this Primus nesting pot and pan set, where the smallest one is about the same base as the teapot, a little bit smaller, and then this is the bigger one. So it looks like that's all gonna fit just fine. I'm excited about it. We like to use butane nowadays because it's easier to find the butane canisters in Mexico, and you can find them pretty much anywhere. They're very inexpensive. It's very simple to use. It's good for, if you only need one burner. Maybe if you want a backup, then you can bring this, or you can bring two, and it essentially takes up the same amount of space as one single burner traditional butane stove. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up our water for our tea. Again, feel free to shop through the link in our description, use our discount, and let us know if you have any questions about the product in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.